Hello everyone from the second video of CSM Relaxing Slime Making series. Today we will make Soft Iceberg, one of our most popular slimes. Let's start. The materials we need are shaving foam, Elmer's slime glue, color, starch, borax. We put some of shaving foam, if you can measure it, is like 200 grams. We add glue. 1/5 of the box, about 100 grams. It is very important that we mix it very well at this part. If it does not mix well, the consistency will not be good.
A few moments later.
It's coloring time. You can choose any color you want. I choose blue. Mix until the white colors disappear. We add 100 grams starch. Starch will make the consistency of our slime better. I love using starch in slimes. Mix until your color covers. When we come to last step, we mix our slime while adding borax. It totally depends on the consistency. If you think the consistency is okay, you don't need to add more. If you can't mix it more, you can mix it by hand like me. We place it nicely on the plate and wait for 1-2 days. We've come to my favorite part. You can draw anything you want. Just relax, listen to your music in the background, and show your creativity. I hope you liked the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in other chapters.